Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to report someone in AFK Arena. To report someone in AFK Arena, launch the game open on your device first. Once you open up the game, you'll end up in this interface where you'll need to tap on the little arrow button on the top right, which will open up several menus. Once you do that, tap on the Friends button and then from your friend list, select a friend you'd like to report. You can also navigate to your chat section where you will be able to find the people you would like to report. After choosing a friend or a contact, you will be able to see their details page. Click the three dots at the top right corner from their details screen and you will see the Report Player option. Tap on it and you will then be able to report the person. You may also consider blocking the player to avoid further interactions. That is how you easily report someone in AFK Arena. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Crazy Gamer for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.